The average American angler overpays 30 to 50% on fishing line versus the actual breaking strength delivered. 6 of the 8 biggest fishing line brands in this country use the same 3 deception tricks. Inflated breaking strength ratings, premium markup for foreign factory commodity hardware, and brand reputation propped up by marketing budgets that exceed the engineering budgets. This investigation ranks all 8 from worst to best. The 2 brands that tournament pros actually fish with sit at the end. We start at the bottom with the brand selling you the cheapest spool on the shelf and the most expensive year of broken trophy fish you will ever experience. Russell Dean spent 38 years as an independent tackle line tester at laboratories across the United States before he retired in 2024. He watched line manufacturers ship product to retail with breaking strength claims that did not match the laboratory data. The day he retired, he compiled the brand rankings from 5 years of test data and ranked the 8 biggest names in American fishing line. The rankings combine independent force gauge data, knot strength testing, real-world durability across one full season, and dollar per pound of actual breaking strength delivered. 6 brands fail at least one of those 4 tests. 2 brands pass all 4. Russell's ranking starts at the bottom with the brand most casual anglers grab from the shelf because the price tag looks too good to walk past. Number 8 on Russell's list, KastKing, the Chinese original equipment manufacturer brand built almost entirely through Amazon retail since approximately 2014. KastKing sells fishing line at price points that undercut every American competitor on the shelf. The retail strategy is volume-driven. The engineering is variable. The product code analysis traces KastKing braided lines to multiple Chinese factory sources that supply the same hardware under at least 4 different brand labels to American distributors. The breaking strength varies meaningfully across production batches. The angler buying KastKing at the lowest shelf price may receive a spool that matches the rating, or a spool that breaks 15% below the rating, depending on which factory shipped that batch. The savings calculation never works out. 6 months of regular fishing pressure, and the line is replaced. The angler running KastKing at $1 less per spool than the next budget option pays for the line 3 times across a season instead of twice. The shelf savings disappears, the replacement frequency catches up. Real fishing line shows you the strength. The rest sells you the package. Number 7 on Russell's list, Beyond Braid, the brand that built one of the largest YouTube advertising campaigns in fishing tackle history, starting around 2017. Beyond Braid markets aggressively through social media as a premium alternative to traditional brands. The packaging promises performance that rivals the most expensive Japanese braid on the shelf. The independent test data from Salt Strong revealed the line cannot handle being tied straight to a hook eye without a shock leader. Customer review after customer review documents the same failure pattern. 60-pound test, breaking within 5 feet of the rod tip on routine casts. Wind knots forming on every other cast. Knot strength below industry baseline. One verified customer documented buying 2,000 yards of 60-pound test, putting it on every reel he owned, and not landing a single fish across an entire season because every hooked fish broke off within 5 feet of the tip. The brand offered a 20% off coupon. The marketing budget did not match the engineering budget. Real fishing line shows you the strength. The rest sells you the package. Number 6 on Russell's list, PowerPro Spectra Braid, the line that built an industry, the line that recreational anglers, tournament anglers, and tackle shop owners across America have spooled onto reels for over 20 years. The line that became the gold standard for braided fishing line in the United States. The independent break strength test at bestfishtackle.com in 2025 used a calibrated force gauge, a Palomar knot, and a size 4 split ring. The PowerPro 30-pound test broke at 23 pounds, 23% below the rating printed on the spool. The data is consistent across multiple independent tests over the past decade. PowerPro retails between $30 and $40 per spool. The brand reputation is built on 20 years of continuous marketing presence. The actual breaking strength has been below the advertised rating for the entire history of the product. The recreational angler losing trophy fish to broken line above the knot has been buying the marketing budget, not the engineering performance. Real fishing line shows you the strength. The rest sells you the package. Number 5 on Russell's list. Spiderwire Stealth. One of the oldest braided line brands in American fishing tackle. Acquired by Pure Fishing as part of a larger consolidation that absorbed multiple legacy brands under a single corporate umbrella. The result is a brand selling on legacy reputation with engineering that has not kept pace with the newer 8-strand competition. Spiderwire Stealth remains a 4-strand braid in an industry that moved to 8-strand construction over a decade ago. The 4-strand structure produces measurably more wind knots, higher rod guide noise, and shorter casting distance compared to the modern 8-strand alternatives. The retail price remains roughly equivalent to the 8-strand competitors. The performance does not. The Pure Fishing acquisition pattern compressed engineering investment across multiple legacy brands. The marketing positioning of Spiderwire remained premium. The actual product specification stayed in the early 2000s. The angler buying Spiderwire today pays modern prices for technology that competitors moved past a decade ago. Real fishing line shows you the strength. The rest sells you the package. Before the remaining 4 brands on Russell's list, and the 2 that quietly outfish every premium competitor on the shelf, point your camera at the QR code on the screen. The Angler's Vault just opened with the complete Smart Gear under 300 module that breaks down exactly which fishing line to spool on which reel for which technique. The Vault includes the full Smart Gear under 300 module, covering line selection by technique, the 10 fatal mistakes module, covering knot tying and line care that double the lifespan of any line on any reel, and the complete tournament tackle box build for less than $300. Link is pinned at the top of the description. One-time payment. No subscription. Now to the top 4. Number 4 on Russell's list, Berkley X5 Braid. Sold by one of the most trusted brands in fishing tackle history. Premium positioning. Premium price. Premium expectation. The independent break strength tests at bestfishtackle.com in 2000-2005 tell the actual performance story. The 30-pound test rating on the spool. The actual breaking strength came in significantly below the advertised rating. None of the 3 30-pound braids tested in that laboratory reached the rating printed on the package. The Berkley X5 was no exception. The Berkley brand reputation does the heavy lifting on the shelf. The product underdelivers on the water. The premium positioning carries a premium price tag between $20 and $30 per spool. The actual performance does not match the advertised rating. The angler paying premium price for premium braid receives strength that an $8 spool of monofilament can match in many fishing scenarios. The brand reputation is doing the work the engineering should be doing. Real fishing line shows you the strength. The rest sells you the package. Number 3 on Russell's list, YGK G-Soul. The premium Japanese braid sold for $40 to $60 per spool in American tackle shops. The marketing message is that Japanese line manufacturing produces engineering quality American brands cannot match. Anglers buy YGK because the price tag tells them it must be better than the alternative. The independent test data revealed the YGK G-Soul performance was far below expectations. The line broke at a percentage of its advertised rating that was lower than the cheaper American competitors in the same test. The premium price did not buy premium performance. The premium price bought premium packaging. The Japanese premium positioning works on perception. The angler watching this video has probably never run YGK alongside Sufix or Trilene under identical conditions. Russell ran that test for 5 consecutive seasons. The result was consistent. The $40 Japanese spool was outfished by the $8 American spool 9 times out of 10. Real fishing line shows you the strength. The rest sells you the package. Coming to the top 2, number 2 on Russell's list, Sufix 832 Advanced Superline. The 8-strand braid that combines 7 HMPE fibers with 1 Gore performance fiber at 32 weaves per inch. The construction produces measurably greater knot strength, lower rod guide noise, and substantially longer casting distance than the 4-strand alternatives selling at the same price point. The Wired 2Fish independent review documents that Sufix 832 is the Tournament Pro standard across modern bass fishing. Walker Smith, the Wired 2Fish tournament angler and former guide, reports running Sufix on almost every reel in his rotation for the past 5 seasons without finding a weak point or variability in diameter. The Sufix marketing claim of 30% greater Palomar knot strength than other braids has been validated in multiple independent reviews. The 8-strand structure with the integrated Gore fiber produces a smoother surface that reduces backlash, eliminates most wind knots, and holds knots substantially better than the 4-strand competition. The retail price starts at $19.99 for a 150-yard spool. The pricing is not the cheapest braid on the shelf. The pricing is well below the YGK premium positioning. The price per pound of actual breaking strength delivered is one of the best on the American tackle store wall. Real fishing line shows you the strength. The rest sells you the package. Number 1 on Russell's list, Berkley Trilene XL, the monofilament that has been on American tackle store shelves for over 40 years. The line that the Field & Stream 1926 Best of List named as a top fishing line for largemouth in 2025. The Tackle Tour Independent Knot Strength Test reported Berkley Trilene XL 10-pound test held 9.7 pounds at the knot, 3% below the rated breaking strength. Compare that to PowerPro 30-pound at 23. PowerPro tested 23% below rating. Trilene XL tested 3% below rating. The cheap line is more honest about its breaking strength than the premium line. The OutdoorGearLab.com test confirmed Trilene XL as one of the best casting monofilaments tested. Smooth release, low memory after a few weeks on the spool. Honest breaking strength. The recreational angler spooling Trilene XL on his reel for $8 receives a product that outfishes premium competitors selling for $35. The companion brand at the same tier is Berkley Trilene Big Game. The Outdoor Gear Lab review documented Big Game as very impressive in abrasion resistance testing, available in high poundage options up to 100-pound test. The angler, running both products, covers nearly every freshwater and inshore fishing application for under $20 total. Real fishing line shows you the strength. The rest sells you the package. Russell's complete 8-brand ranking. KastKing at 8 for production batch variability. Beyond Braid at 7 for marketing budget exceeding engineering. PowerPro at 6 for 20 years of below rating performance. Spiderwire at 5 for legacy 4-strand technology at modern prices. Berkley X5 at 4 for sub-rated braid behind a trusted brand. YGK G-Soul at 3 for Japanese premium hiding below bassline strength. Sufix 832 at number 2 for Tournament Pro standard, performance at mid-market pricing. Berkley Trilene XL at number 1 for 40 years of honest breaking strength at $8 per spool. The 2 brands Tournament Pros actually fish with cost less than half of the premium foreign alternatives. The math across a single fishing season is direct. The angler running PowerPro on 3 reels at $35 per spool replaces line twice per year for $195. The same angler running Berkley Trilene XL on 3 reels at $8 per spool replaces line twice per year for $48. Annual savings is $147. Across a decade, $1,500. The trophy fish that broke off the angler running PowerPro at 23 pounds of rated 30 does not break off the angler running Trilene XL at 9.7 of rated 10. The cheap line holds the trophy. The expensive line surrenders the trophy at 23 pounds. The line that held tournament reels in the 1980s still holds tournament reels in 22.6. The complete Smart Gear Under 300 module gives you the full system Russell used across 38 years to spool the right line on the right reel for the right technique. The 10 Fatal Mistakes module covers the knot tying and line care that doubles the lifespan of any spool, all inside the Angler's Vault. Link is pinned at the top of the description. Across all 8 brands, one reality stands out. The American fishing line industry is engineered to extract margin through marketing budgets, foreign factory rebrands, and brand reputation that exceeds the actual engineering. For the recreational angler, the real catch is transparency. The lines that work are not the lines on the premium end cap. The lines that work are the lines that report honest breaking strength on a force gauge. Hit the like button if Russell's ranking changed how you think about the line on your reel. Drop a comment with the brand that broke off your biggest fish and the brand you switched to after. The next American fishing video pulls from what you send in. Real Fishing Line shows you the strength. The rest sells you the package.